President Ramaphosa has urged leaders at the 13th Brics Summit to work together to ensure equal access to COVID-19 vaccines, also diagnostics and therapeutics. The summit was held virtually today. Ramaphosa says the pandemic has completely devastated livelihoods, economies and, of course, communities. He says collective response has demonstrated what can be achieved when we all work together.
The COVID-19 pandemic has had a devastating impact on human life, livelihoods of our people, economies of our countries, and communities around the world. As much as we have known sorrow and hardship, we've also known solidarity and cooperation, especially amongst our 5 countries. Our collective response has demonstrated what can be achieved when we work together. All tracks of our BRICS cooperation have been oriented towards concrete responses to the pandemic. As the BRICS countries, we must continue to safeguard our people's lives and livelihoods. We must continue to support global economic recovery and enhance the resilience of all our public systems. We must also ensure equal access to COVID-19 vaccines, the diagnostics as well as therapeutics, because that is the only way in which we can collectively respond to this pandemic that engulfs the world. We each need to contribute our fair share to the Access COVID-19 Tools Accelerator and also support the proposal made by India and South Africa at the WTO for a waiver of the TRIPS mechanism to ensure a rapid expansion of COVID-19 vaccines production across the world. We welcome the decision of our Ministers of Health to operationalize a virtual BRICS Vaccine Research and Development Center. The pandemic has reinforced our belief that representative multilateralism is the key to a sustainable future for all.